Hello, I am Nicolas Lunven, skipper of Holcim-PRB. I am currently competing in the Vendée Globe, which is a solo and non-stop circumnavigation race, so around the world. The start was on November the 10th, so a bit more than 2 months ago. I still have a few more days to go to the finish line. Today, as you can see, I can enjoy very nice and smooth sailing conditions, but it's not always like that. The next few days are going to be much more difficult and tough with a very big storm to deal with. During that race I was able to enjoy and to see the power of the nature, our biodiversity. So not for now, but most of the time I have dolphins, birds, even whales around the boat, or also I can enjoy some very nice sunrise or sunset. So to me it is very important to preserve this nature and our biodiversity. Cheers, bye bye!